If you're looking for that next project to build, I've got something awesome for you today. You've been searching the internet looking for the next set of plans. You may be frustrated by the lack of detailed plans, or you can't even find the specific plans you're looking for. Here at Awesome DIY Deals, we know that finding the right plan isn't always easy. Well, we want to help more people just like you to have a list of detailed woodworking plans that have step-by-step instructions, cut lists, material guides, and schematics, which is why for a limited time we're giving away our top 40 woodworking plans absolutely free. Just click the link on the video now to get your free set of plans. These plans also have 24 awesome woodshop tips to help any woodworker, as well as 10 wood joinery techniques that every woodworker should know. If you're like many other people trying to find a set of plans, you've probably gotten frustrated. You found plans that weren't specific enough. The instructions left out critical information. They assume you're a master woodworker, or directions that are too advanced for beginners. The problem with all those other plans is that they don't include cut sheets, make it look easier than it ends up being, and don't include pictures that match what they're telling you. That's not the case with our 40 woodworking plans. You might be wondering why we're giving these away for free, right? We know that when you try our 40 awesome woodworking plans, you'll love them. And odds are, you'll want even more. We do have a full-blown database with tons of other plans you'll also love. That's why we are giving away the 40 woodworking plans for free. So you could search the internet and hope you'll find good plans, or you can click the link on this video and get 40 woodworking plans for free. Here's a few of the projects. It contains complete instructions from start to finish, leaving absolutely no guesswork. You'll love the step-by-step instructions, the cutting and materials list, the detailed schematics, the views from all angles, and it's suitable for beginners and professionals. Click the link on this video to get your free woodworking plans today.